Your intuition is a guiding light in your life journey. When you learn to trust it, you discover the gift of clear thinking and inner calmness. Your mental health benefits from the faith that you put in your wisdom, allowing you to navigate challenges with grace and discernment. Your intuition is the gentle whisper of your soul. Trust in its guidance because it knows the way. When you listen to the wisdom within, your thoughts become clearer and your path unfolds with purpose. Your intuition is the compass of your heart. When you follow its direction, your thoughts will align with your deepest desires. Trust in your inner navigator, and you will find clarity and peace on your journey. Intuition speaks in the language of feelings and hunches. Trust the messages it brings, because it is in the understanding of this silent dialogue that your thoughts will gain clarity and your mental health will find its anchor. Life is a winding path, but your intuition is the guide you can rely on. Trust in its insights, and you will navigate the twists and turns with confidence. In the clarity it offers, you will find inner calmness and mental well-being.